Okay, so we did transcription where we went from DNA to mRNA, and now we're going to do translation where we go from mRNA to making an amino acid. What we should always start with when we're doing the coding for mRNA into amino acids is we should be looking for a start codon, which is AUG. So if I were to go over to what you're going to be referring to, minimize this, all my videos, your amino acid chart. This is a resource you have to use in order to code your proteins because it has all of your codons, the letters that we got from DNA that became RNA, messenger RNA, to figure out what the final amino acid is. And although this one doesn't say start, right here, methionine is your start codon. We start in the middle, A, go to the next rung, U, and then finally G. That would be the start. And we would scroll down our mRNA until we find AUG. But in this case, for instructional purposes and for the problems you're about to do, you're just going to read it from left to right just to do the process. So I'm going to take my first three letters because that is how you read amino acids, the coding for them. They're read in groups of three, and those groups of threes are called codons. So I'm going to take those three letters. Again, not going to worry about my start codon, just going to do regular practice. So GUC, and come down here, find my G, then move out to U, and then C, that codes for valine. So I would go ahead and write VAL. And then I go to my next three. CUU, go over to my coding chart. CUU, CUU is leucine. And I'm just going to write the first three letters because it's so much easier. And I would keep going until technically, same as technically, we'd be starting with the start codon, AUG. I'd hit a stop. You'll see there's a stop codon here. UGA is a stop codon. UAA is a stop codon. And UAG is a stop codon. You'll also notice that I've got letters out here for the next three problems that you're going to try on your own. You're not going to be coding for the amino acid. You're going to be coding for the letter that that amino acid stands for. And you'll do three different problems, and you're going to put those into on the website that you've been working off of, way over here. So here's going to be your three examples. They're not in there yet. I got to build them. And then you'll be putting them into these word locks to see if you can digitally break into these word locks based on your work here. So if you do these right, you'll know because you'll break into the three word locks that are going to be present down here where it says put your knowledge to the test under protein synthesis digital breakout. But that is the basics of transcription here to here, and then translation there to there. If you're still confused, I'm going to put one additional video link up into the website where we are right now on the overall putting it all together page. So I'm going to put it right up above this. If you're still confused, you can reference that at any time. All right, good luck.